Hello, everybody from Mrs. Molnar, Mrs. Marrese, and Miss MacIntosh's class. How are you? It's nice to see you again. I hope that you're doing well. Are you ready for another week of music? Great, well, let's get to it. So what do we need to do first? First, let's clap hands. 1, 2, nice job. What's next? Stomp feet. 1, 2, what's after that? Pat knees. 1, 2, good. And help me to say ready, set, go. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Clap your hands. Ready? 1, 2, good, Kevin. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Stomp your feet. Ready, Alex? 1, 2, good. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Pat your knees. Ready, Emma? 1, 2, good. Hey, hey, it's time to sing with me. So let's sing la, 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 la. Your turn. Nice, Bryson. La, 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 la. Your turn. Good, Aaron. Ba, 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 ba. Your turn. Good, Isa. Ba, 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 ba. Your turn. Nice job, Christopher. It's time to dance. It's time to play. So help me say, ready, set, go! Good, Ian. Oh, hey, hey, it's time for music. Clap your hands. Ready, Lance? 1, 2, good. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Stomp your feet. Ready, Jacob? 1, 2, good. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Pat your knees. Ready, Adrian? 1, 2, good. Hey, hey, let's see who's here with me. All right, let's see who's here today. So, who here has a drum at home? If you don't have a drum, that's okay. Remember, you can use anything, right? You can use a pot, you can use a pan, you can use a metal bowl, anything that's okay with a grown-up in your house that you can use as a drum. Go ahead and get it. And let's finish our song. Ready? Where is... Good. Say your name. Say it really loud. Let me hear it. Good. And you play, here I am. Now you say, where is Miss Melinda? Here I am. Now together, it's so nice to be with you today. Woohoo! Great job, everybody. So, this week in music, we are going to continue with our travel theme. So remember last week? How did we travel last week? Remember by the piano, we took a rocket ship. And then what else did we do? Oh, we went working on the railroad and took a train. And then we talked about all sorts of different ways we can travel, right? Well, guess what? I have so many more songs about traveling and different ways we can travel that I thought we could continue with that. Does that sound good? All right, cool. Let's see what's first. Okay, so what do I have? I have a fancy sports car, right? And what color is it? What's this word? Orange. It says orange car, right? It's fancy. So I thought we could sing a song called Driving in My Car. It's a lot of fun. We get to make lots of different car noises. So I hope that you join me. It's a lot of fun. It's a silly song. Are you ready? Okay. It goes like this. Driving in my car, driving in my car, driving all the way to Minneapolis in my car. Wow, that's far. Driving in my car, driving in my car, driving all the way to Minneapolis in my car. What sound does a car horn make? Beep, right? Can you say that with me? beep. Here we go. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Red light. Stop. Right? Red means to stop the red light. Okay, so what's next? What sound do car windshield wipers make? Does anybody know? Right? Can you make that noise with me? Swish, 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 swish. Swish, 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 swish. Swish, 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 swish. Good, what about the horn? Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving all the way to Minneapolis in my car. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving all the way to Minneapolis in my car. Red light. Stop. Let's see what's next. What sound does a car muffler make? Does anybody know? The car muffler's on the back of the car, and it kind of makes a sound like this. Can you try to make that sound with me? It's kind of hard to make. It's a silly sound, right? Here we go. Let's try it. Good. What about the windshield wipers? And the car horn, ready? Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving all the way to Minneapolis in my car. Red light. Stop. What happens if you were driving down the street and you saw your very best friend on the sidewalk and you rolled down the window and you stuck out your hand? What would you say? You would say, hi. Are you ready to say hi with me? Who's your very best friend? All right, let's go say hi to them. You ready? Hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi. Good job. All right, what about that muffler sound? Ready? That's a silly sound. All right, what about the windshield wipers? Ready? Beep, 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 beep. All right, let's go back to the beginning. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving all the way to Minneapolis in my car. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving all the way to Minneapolis in my car. Driving all the way to Minneapolis in my car. Nice job, you guys. Wasn't that fun? What was your favorite noise that we made? Did you like going beep, beep, or swish, swish, or hi, hi? My favorite is because that's kind of a funny noise to make, right? Okay, great job. Let's see what's next. All right, all my friends. So guess where I am now? Can you tell? I moved, right? Now I'm at the piano, and we are going to sing a song about going on a airplane, right? What's this word? White plane, right? What color? It's white. Yeah. Has anybody ever been on an airplane before? You have? Where did you go? Oh, awesome. All right, so this next song, we're going to talk about going on an airplane. And every time we get off the airplane, we're going to make a different movement, right? So the first time we get off the airplane, we're going to jump. Can everybody jump? Show me how you jump. Right? I'll show you how I jump. Ready? So you're going to jump, 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 jump. That's what happens first. Then we come back in the airplane and we put on our seatbelt. Now, the next time we get off the airplane, we're going to spin around. Can you show me how you would spin? I'll show you how I'd spin. Ready? I'd stand up and I'd spin around with my arms up in the air. So spin the best that you can, okay? Be careful, don't fall down. All right, then we're going to get back in the airplane, put our seatbelts back on. And then the next time we get off the airplane, we're going to gallop. Isn't that fun? What kind of animal gallops? I almost gave it away. Right? A horse gallops, right? So let's pretend like we're on a horse and we're galloping. So we're going to gallop all around the room. You can gallop in a circle. You can gallop in place. You can gallop all over the place. All right, and then we get back in our airplane and put on our seatbelt, and then the last move we're gonna do is dancing. And I know everybody in this class is a great dancer, so you can just stand up and you can show me your greatest dance moves. All right? All right, so let's get in our airplanes, put on your seatbelt. Are you ready for takeoff? Here we go. Get in your airplanes and off we go. Going to the park is first, you know. Now slow it down and land on the ground. And when you get out, you're gonna jump all around. Are you ready to jump? So stand up. Wow, good job, everybody. Get back in the airplane. Put your seatbelt back on. Are you ready? Get in your airplanes and off we go. Going to California is next, you know. Now slow it down and land on the ground. And when you get out, you're gonna spin all around. All right, so everybody stand up and spin for me. All right, get back in your airplane. Put on your seatbelt. Are you ready? Let's see what's next. Get in your airplanes and off we go. Going to New York City is next, you know. Has anybody ever been to New York City before? Me too. Ready? Now slow it down and land on the ground. And when you get out, you're gonna gallop all around. Are you ready to gallop? Like a horsey? Ready? Yay! Get on that horsey. Gallop on your horsey. Gallop all around. Nice job. Good. Come back into your airplane. Put on your seatbelt. Let's see what's next. Are you ready? Get in your airplanes and off we go. Going to the playground is next, you know. Now slow it down and land on the ground. And when you get out, you're gonna dance all around. Let me see you dance. Dance all around. some great dance moves. All right, everybody, let's get back in the airplane. Let's see what happens next. Ready? Get in your airplanes, it's time to go home. Your family and friends are waiting, you know. Now slow it down and land on the ground. And come sit down in your own hometown. Nice job, everybody. Welcome back. Did you have fun with that? What was your favorite way to move? Did you like jumping? Did you like spinning? Did you like galloping? Did you like dancing? All right. I hope that you had fun. Let's see what's next. Okay, my friends. So next I wanted to show you this book. Does anybody have this book at home or have you seen it before? It's called Dan the Taxi Man. So this is a taxi. Has anybody ever been in a taxi before? Taxis are pretty common in cities. So like if you went to New York City, you'd probably see a lot of taxis. Or maybe you took a taxi to an airport or something like that if you were going on a trip. So this is a book about Dan the Taxi Man, and it's a lot of fun. It's a really musical book, so I thought it would be fun to put a song to the words, and you guys are going to help me. But before we do that, I wanted to show you. So Dan the Taxi Man picks up all these different musicians and brings them to a show. All right, so let's look at the different instruments. Does anybody recognize this one? This is a tambourine, and all of you have played tambourines before because I bring tambourines to your class a lot. Remember the ones that look like stars and they go shake? So the sound of a tambourine in this book goes a shake, crash, a shake, crash. Can you try that with me? A shake, crash, a shake, crash. So we can pretend like we have a tambourine, or maybe you have one at home and you can get it out and you can use it. Great. The next instrument that we see in the book is this one. Does anybody know what this instrument is? It's called a saxophone. And the way you play a saxophone is you play it with your mouth and you have little buttons, little keys that you play, and it goes squeebity-dee, squeebity-doo. Can you try to make a saxophone sound with me? A squeebity-dee, a squeebity-doo. Very nice. All right, I think the next instrument that we see in this book is this one. Does anybody know what this is? It's a guitar, right? But this guitar is a little different than the one I use. It's called an electric guitar. So you plug it in and it has electricity. And it has a sound that goes kind of like wee wah wah, wee wah wah. Can you try that with me? A wee wah wah, wee wah wah. Good job. Then we see this. What's this? It's a drum, right? And we played a drum before in classes, but this is called a snare drum. So it sounds kind of like this. It's a little higher. It goes a-ra-da-da, a-ra-da-da, a-ra-da-da-da. Can you try that with me? A-ra-da-da, a-ra-da-da, a-ra-da-da-da. Good. And last, we're going to see this big one. Does anybody know what this is called? It's called an upright bass or a double bass, and it has a low sound. It's kind of like boom, ba, ba, boom, ba, ba, boom, ba, ba, boom. Will you try that with me? A boom, ba, ba, boom, ba, ba, boom, ba, ba, boom. Good. So we have lots of different noises we're going to make while we sing this book. So every time I say, "Here's Dan," I want you to say, "Beep, beep, the taxi man." Can we try that together? So, "Here's Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man." Good. And there's a lot of times in this book that we are going to say this word. Does anybody know what this says? Stop. That's right. So we're going to spell it out. It's S-T-O-P, stop. All right. So I think we're ready to start this book. And it starts with Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Here's Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man, going to the show and picking up the band. Climb inside while you still can with Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man. Awesome job so far. All right, ready? Now we're going to spell out S-T-O-P, stop. Here comes Maureen with her tambourine. A shake, a crash, a shake, a crash. Oh, here comes Maureen with her tambourine. A shake, a crash, a shake, a crash. And here's Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man, going to the show and picking up the band. Climb inside while you still can with Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man. All right, let's see who's next. So they're gonna stop and say S-T-O-P, stop. Good. Next we have Tyrone with his saxophone. Ready? Here we go. Here comes Tyrone with the saxophone. Squeebity-dee, squeebity-doo. Oh, here comes Tyrone with the saxophone. A squeebity-dee, squeebity-doo. And here's Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man, going to the show and picking up the band. Climb inside while you still can with Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man. Nice job. Are you guys singing with me? All right, are we ready? Let's see. Now we're going to say S-T-O-P, stop. Ooh, who's next? Next we have the electric guitar. So her name is Star. Ready? Here comes Star with her electric guitar. Wee wah wah, wee wah wah. Oh, here comes Star with her electric guitar. Oh, wee wah wah, wee wah wah. And here's Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man, going to the show and picking up the band. Climb inside while you still can with Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man. Nice job. All right, let's see what's next. Ready? S-T-O-P, stop. Ooh, who's next? Next we have... Ooh, oh, here she is. Claire. I couldn't find her. It's Claire with her rattly snare. Are you ready? Okay. Here comes Claire with her rattly snare. A rat-a-tat, a rat-a-tat, a rat-a-tat-tat. Oh, here comes Claire with her rattly snare. A rat-a-tat, a rat-a-tat, a rat-a-tat-tat. And here's Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man, going to the show and picking up the band. Climb inside while you still can with Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man. All right, let's see who else is going to come. So we need to say S-T-O-P, stop. Good. Who is next? Do you remember this one? The upright bass. All right, that's Ace with his upright bass. Here comes Ace with his upright bass. A boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom. Oh, here comes Ace with his upright bass. A boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom. And here's Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man, going to the show and picking up the band. Climb inside while you still can with Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man. All right, let's see what's next. Ready? S-T-O-P, stop. We're here. Look, they're here. They're at the Rockin' Joint for the band, for the concert. Dan gives a shout. Everybody out. Let's go, let's go. Let's see what's next. Up on the stage, it's time for the show. What a place, what a scene. There's Claire and Ace, and there's Maureen. There's Star and Tyrone. But something's wrong. There's something's missing. Stop the song. Stop the song. S-T-O-P, stop. Star looks around. I know what we need. I know what's missing. Yes, indeed. What do you think is missing? It's Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man. Oh, it's Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man. Oh, it's Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man. It's Dan, beep, beep, the taxi man. All right, so they went and they got Dan. They're like, come on, Dan, we need you. We need you to be our lead singer, right? Very cool. What a nice band all together. So I think that book's a lot of fun, and I thought it would be fun to put it to music, so thanks for helping me out with that. Were you singing along? I hope that you were. So what's your favorite instrument out of all these instruments? Do you like the guitar? Do you like the drums? Do you like the saxophone? I like them all. All right, let's see what's next. All right, everybody, are you having fun so far? I'm having a lot of fun. I've enjoying going on all these trips with you. I like going on the airplane and dancing. I liked singing about Dan the taxi man and driving in the car and making the muffler noises. But whenever we go on a trip or we travel anywhere, we always come back home, right? So I thought it would be good to kind of end out our session with singing a song called Home. It's a beautiful song. You might have heard it before. It's on the radio a lot. And there's a part in the middle where you can sing ooh and ah with me. And if you know the song, sing the whole thing with me. All right? I think it's a beautiful song. I really like the words. So I hope that you sing along with me. I hope that you enjoy it. Oh, and also, don't feel like you can only have to sit there and sing. You can play an instrument. So maybe you have an egg shaker that you made or a soda shaker. Go ahead and get those out. If you have a drum that you'd rather use. Whatever's going to make you happy, right? All right, here we go. Let's sing it. Hold on to me as we go, as we roll down this unfamiliar road. And although this wave is stringing us along, just know you're not alone. 'Cause I'm gonna make this place your home. Settle down, it'll all be clear. Don't pay no mind to the demons, they fill you with fear. The trouble, it might drag you down. If you get lost, you can always be found. Just know you're not alone. 'Cause I'm gonna make this place your home. All right, let's sing on ooh together. Are you ready? Can you make that sound with me? Ooh. I knew you could do it. Ready? Ooh. Let's try ah. Ready? Ah. 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 Nice job. Settle down, it'll all be clear. Don't pay no mind to the demons, they fill you with fear. The trouble, it might drag you down. If you get lost, you can always be found. Just know you're not alone. 'Cause I'm gonna make this place your home. Good, let's sing on ooh again. Are you ready? Ooh. Now how about ah? everybody. Settle down, it'll all be clear. Don't pay no mind to the demons, they fill you with fear. The trouble, it might drag you down. If you get lost, you can always be found. So you're not alone, 'cause I'm gonna make this place your home. I'm gonna make this place your home. Nice job, everybody. Were you singing with me? I hope that you were, because you guys are such beautiful singers when you sing. Okay, great. Okay, all my friends from Mrs. Molnar, Mrs. Marrese, and Miss MacIntosh's class, I hope that you had fun today. What was your favorite part? Awesome. I really enjoyed singing that last song, Home With You. I really like that song, so I hope that you were singing along. I know you guys are such beautiful singers in this class. Well, I know it's 3 classes, but all of you are great singers, so I hope that you were singing along with me. All right, let's get ready to say goodbye. Are you ready to help me sing? Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. Let's say goodbye to the music until next time. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. Good, one more time, ready? Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. Let's say goodbye to the music until next time. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Bye, everybody. I hope that you have a wonderful week. I'll see you next week.